Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to install WordPress locally and how to get started. So you will need to download WordPress from their official website. I'll provide the link in the description. You also need to download the server. I'll be using XAMPP, so I'll also provide its link in the description. So after downloading it, we extract it. I already extracted it. It's here. It's called WordPress. And then after extracting it, you move it to the XAMPP directory where you install XAMPP. Especially in Windows, you will find the XAMPP directory in the Windows partition. So for my case, I will use my terminal and copy it. I will say sudo cp copy to my default XAMPP directory in htdocs. So I'll copy it. After, for Linux users, to be on a safer side, you do this. Copy this directory slash your folder name. Mine I called it WordP minus capital R. Press enter. Here we go. Let me show you the folder now. It's in opt lang htdocs. Here it is. Here. For Windows users, you go to your default Windows partition, look for XAMPP, then look for htdocs and paste it there. So after there, you will start your server. Once again, for Windows users, you have a graphical user interface, so you can launch your server from it. But for my case, I'll be using the terminal to launch it. I'll say sudo to see everything is okay. So I'm starting my server there. Everything is working fine. So I'll open my browser. I will do this. Let me add a new terminal. New tab, sorry. I'll say localhost slash php-myadmin and press enter. I'll go to that address. I'll create a new database. I'll call it WordPress. The database name should be the same as the folder name, new htdocs, this name. So I'll create. My database has been created. I'll open a new tab and type localhost slash your database name and press enter. Okay, let's go. Here, use your database name. It's WordPress. The username should always be root. And then clear the password and submit. Leave the rest as they are. Run the installation. Here you can change the site title. Let me say WordPress. The username, I'll use my channel name. I'll hide my password for privacy. I'll use a weak password. I'll confirm use of a weak password. Enter my email. Then shouldn't check this checkbox. Leave it as it is. Leave it blank. Then install WordPress. You hold on, so it shows success. So let's log in. I used. Let's log in. Hold on for a second, for a minute, according to your machine's RAM. Either way, don't forget to subscribe. More videos are coming. Yeah, here. Um, I've created my first website, my first WordPress website. Congrats. Let me show you how it looks like. I'll right click, and here is my website. Here is my first WordPress website. So you can go on and customize it. So that was it for today. You can go on and customize using your dashboard. So that was it for today. You can use these tabs and make more custom modifications. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how to create a free website using WordPress. Just subscribe, hit the notification bell. You'll be notified upon uploading the video. Okay, thank you.